Hello guys and welcome to my channel Codifying World. In this new video series of Sudoku game, we will learn to develop Sudoku game and we will discuss the logic along with the code. Sudoku is actually a puzzle with 9 rows and 9 columns, and whole Sudoku is divided into 9 subgrids with each subgrid of 3 by 3. In Sudoku, each 9 rows, 9 columns and each subgrid of 3 by 3 is permutation of numbers from 1 to 9. So greatest challenge for us is to create new puzzle for every game, and for creating new puzzle we must create new solution for every game. In this video I am going to share logic with you. With that logic you can create lakhs of Sudoku solution with only one Sudoku solution. So please be with me till the last of the video to get the logic. This is one possible Sudoku solution. We will use this solution to create the other solutions. Method 1. Interchanging digits. Sudoku in the left is the solution initially taken. In the right solution, I have interchanged all the 1s with 4 and all the 4s with 1. You can cross-check that the solution in the right is also the valid one. It can be mathematically proven that method 1 alone can create 9 factorial or 3,62,880 different Sudoku solutions. Method 2. Interchange rows within a set of 3. In this example, I have interchanged row 1 with row 3. You can again verify that the new solution is again one valid Sudoku solution. However, we can interchange rows within a set of 3 only. For clarity, I would take another example. In this, I have interchanged row 1 with row 5, which is wrong. So, we can interchange row 1, 2 and 3 or row 4, 5 and 6 or row 7, 8 and 9 within themselves only. Method 3. Interchange column within it sets of 3. This is the same method as method 2, but instead of row, we are interchanging column. Method 4. Interchange set of 3 rows with set of other 3. In this, we are interchanging whole set of 3 rows with another set of 3 rows. For this, we have 3 set of combination: row 1, 2 and 3, row 4, 5 and 6 and row 7, 8 and 9. We can interchange these 3 combinations of row with each other. Method 5. Interchange set of 3 column with set of other 3. This is same as previous, but in this we are interchanging set of 3 column instead of row. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.